in this question they ask value of AC, right? Find the length of AC. So yeah, sometime maybe you will use here sine rule. That's correct. If you use the sine rule, you can get the correct answer, right? But without sine rule also you can get the AC here, because very simple idea here. That's why I choose this one. Sometime maybe you will think this is the difficult one. No, actually this is simple question, very simple one. If you uh, get this idea here like this, now think here 20 degree, here 80 degree, so you can find this one. No, this angle you can find easily, right? You know, in a triangle interior angle add up to 180, so you can write 20 plus 80 plus this angle we can call as ACB. ACB equal 180. With that you can get ACB is how much, right? ACB value you can get here 180. I will bring this for the 100 degrees to this side, so it will be for the 80 degree, right? Don't need to do even this calculation, it will come to your mind easily. This should be 80 degrees, right? This will be 80. Okay, now you can see here these two angle equal. No, that mean this is the reverse, inverse of the isosceles triangle theorem. That means normally in an isosceles triangle, if you have two sides equal, opposite angle equal. Same way, if you have two angle equal in a triangle, opposite sides also equal, right? In a triangle, if you have two angle equal, right? Here 80, here 80, then opposite sides also equal. That means this 80 degree angle here, opposite side is this one. This 80 degree angle, opposite side is this one, right? This one, AB. That means AB equal to AC. So directly you can tell what the AC equal 7 centimeter. Like that you can find AC very simple way. But if someone use sine rule, it's correct. So, using sine rule also you will get same answer, right? This is the quick easy way to get that answer.